But what if I told you that we've come up with a way to decrease maintenance repairs of vehicles as well as save lives and the people injured in the war? I'm Cheater, this is Aarrgghhh, and this is Zombie Man, and this is the convoy clearance device. So the device that we have come up with is able to
Take a breath.
Can I start over?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Got it. Okay. So war is inevitable. But what if I told you that we were able to decrease the cost on maintenance repairs for vehicles as well as decrease the injuries and deaths due to war? I'm Cheater, this is Aarrgghhh, and this is Zombie Man, and this is the convoy clearance device. The military spends so much money, spends billions of dollars on maintenance repairs as well as injuries, medical bills due to injuries from these attacks.
So you can tell that the problem pain basically is the expense of repairs that the current methods have whenever there is an IED attack. The mission is delayed or aborted or from the IED attack, and lives are threatened or lost. The current methods are costly and inefficient, and we have a solution for that problem.
So the product itself is a drone-like device that works together with the kinetic energy from the kinetic pulse array, as well as the ability to find and block the signal from a patent that is the radio intelligence patent. Together with this, it works with radar and GPS to pinpoint an IED, send out a kinetic pulse of about 350 to 370 pounds, and detonate it. It's also able to find a signal and block it from a remote detonated IED and pinpoint where the IED, or where the signal is coming from.
So this is an example of how our product will work. As you can see the drone in front of the convoy is far away from any potential hazard there. The drone will be communicating with a vehicle. It will have a monitor inside of the vehicle. The operator will be able to see where that drone pinpoints the person that's trying to detonate that IED. And then if that happens to be a pressure detonated IED, it will use the kinetic pulse idea of the patent that Coach B has explained, and it will detonate that IED before the convoy is ever close enough to that threat. Currently, the military uses what they call a meerkat and a buffalo paired with a husky to clear routes in convoys. Basically, these are big pieces of equipment designed to withstand impact while people are operating them. So I know I wouldn't want to operate a machine like that. This is what they look like. You have the meerkat that drives these rollers across the ground and detonates pressure-activated IEDs. After a few times, these get disabled. Then it's putting the soldiers at risk because then they have to get out of the vehicle and they can take on fire from enemies and things like that. The buffalo here has a 40-foot hydraulic arm that extends out with a camera and a claw that can search for IEDs, pick it up off the road, try to move it. Typically, they blow up. This thing gets disabled, and again, it kind of puts you at risk. We've interviewed Sergeant Kevin Thorne, who was deployed in Iraq in 2007 and actually received a Purple Heart due to a lifelong knee injury from an IED attack. He's had experience with these machines. He said although they do reduce fatalities, he agreed that they do put you at risk because they do blow up, they do get disabled frequently, and then ultimately it allows you to pretty much be a sitting duck. IED frequency and impact, 2 years alone there's over 7,000 IED attacks. Between 2009 and 2011, There are over 9,000 deaths, resulting in 60% of the total casualties strictly from IED attacks, and over 33,000 soldiers wounded. The opportunity is huge. Thousands of lives can be saved, injuries, lifelong disability payments, not to mention the maintenance that we talked about on the vehicles that they're currently using that are getting destroyed. But most importantly to the military, the critical missions will be able to be executed without interruption from IEDs. Also, the military spends over $90 billion since 2006 on counter-IED efforts. So there's definitely a focus on this. We feel like our product can definitely play in that role.
In terms of competitive advantages compared to current methods, our conflict clearance device will not put the operator at risk. And with the Meerkat and Buffalo, the guy is right there in the midst of the action, and he will not be with him. So this will save lives. And second, our CCD will not actually touch the IED at all, which will reduce equipment loss and maintenance and save a ton of money. So in all, our CCD will locate those IEDs, destroy them or compromise them, and also pinpoint the detonator all in one. So it's just one solution to this. So our value proposition is this. For the military's current IED solutions are costly, both in human lives and in resources. Our CCD will destroy or compromise IEDs from afar, keeping personnel and equipment out of the action. Compared to, unlike the Buffalo and Meerkat, our device uses radio technology, radio intelligence technology, kinetic pulse technology, and drone technology to compromise and locate the enemy activators from afar. So this is going to save money and it's going to save lives.
So we hope that we have been able to show you why our device stands above the current methods. It's able to save lives and save money, killing two birds with one drone.
Yeah.
Fun.
All right.